Hello. So today I want to chat about 4 reasons why protein is so darn important on your weight loss journey. And I also want to share with you 4 options for easy protein sources that require no prep and no cooking. Some reheating, but they're ready to go. So without further ado, let's get started. Reason number 1 why protein is so important if you're trying to lose weight is because it helps increase your satiety and your appetite control. And what I mean when I say that is that it helps you stay full between meals and snacks, which is key, knowing that you have to create a calorie deficit in order to lose weight. So what I'm getting at is that protein-rich foods are more satisfying than carbs or fats in terms of feeling full and then staying full for a longer period of time, which makes it easier to stay in that calorie deficit. Now, they also help with appetite control. And what I'm getting is that including enough protein into your meals helps release hormones such as ghrelin, which is the hunger hormone, and peptide YY, which is the satiety hormone. So it helps to regulate your appetite and to reduce cravings between meals. Now, reason number 2 why protein is so important on a weight loss journey is because protein has a higher thermal effect of food. And what this means is that when you consume more protein, it takes your body more calories to digest and break down the protein compared to carbs and fats. So consuming enough protein actually helps to rev or increase your metabolism because, again, it requires a higher amount of calories in order to digest. Now, reason number 3 why protein is so important when you're in a calorie deficit and losing weight is because you want to ensure that on a weight loss journey, you're losing body fat and not lean muscle. And the only way to ensure that you're not losing muscle mass is to include protein into your meals and snacks. Because again, protein preserves lean muscle and actually helps to build stronger muscles if that's something you want to do. And then last but not least, reason number 4 why protein is so important on a weight loss journey is because, again, it actually helps to increase or boost your metabolism. Now, why is that? That is because muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat does. And so, therefore, the more muscle you have on your body, the higher that metabolic rate is going to be. It can also help prevent metabolic slowdown. So, when you restrict your calories or when you're in a calorie deficit, the body does tend to lower its metabolic rate, meaning you're consuming less calories, your body requires less calories to lose weight. And consuming adequate protein can help to mitigate this effect, which means that you burn more calories even at rest. So, I have just thrown lots of information at you over the past 3.5 minutes, but I also want to transition into 4 easy sources of protein that don't require any effort for meals. So, first of all, let's start with a great breakfast or snack or even a lunch option. Pre-made egg bites from the grocery store. So, this particular brand, Three Bridges, is available at Sam's Club. It used to be available at Costco. It's hit or miss there and at every grocery store. So this particular flavor I have at home is uncured ham and Gruyere cheese, but they also have veggie. They have other flavors. And for 2 egg bites, you're looking at 240 calories with 17 grams of protein. Even better, they come in a little microwavable safe tray. You pop them in the microwave for 60 seconds from refrigerator, and boom, they're ready to eat. Now, as you can tell, mine do have a little bit of frost on them because I like to keep these in the freezer as a go-to for breakfast that I might not be prepared for in a few weeks from now. So they're also totally fine to freeze so you have them on hand. Now, tip number 2, I love protein fortified yogurt. And you might be looking at this brand saying, but Sarah, it's flavored. I've only heard that to lose weight, you should have plain. And the key for flavored Greek yogurt is that you need to check the sugar content. So if I look at the nutrition label, the total sugar in here is only 3 grams, including 0 grams of added sugar. And talk about bang for your buck. For 100 calories per serving, you're getting a whopping 15 grams of protein. So again, this yogurt is creamy, it's delicious, and double brownie points in my book. My 2-year-old daughter loves it. So it's an easy way to help her get calcium and protein in a way that she likes. So you can add fresh berries to this. You can add a touch of granola. You can use it in smoothies. You can add it to scrambled eggs to up the protein content. There are so many ways that you can use Greek yogurt to your advantage, again, without adding much time in terms of meal prep. Now, tip number 3, or choice number 3, might also come at a little bit of a shock. I have Just Bear brand chicken nuggets. And again, you might be watching this like, but I thought it would be lean chicken breast, grilled chicken breast. And again, don't get me wrong, in my family, we love organic chicken breast, but we do tend to buy that raw from Costco and we bake that. I don't have any pre-made, ready-to-go chicken breast in my house right now. But I do have these healthier versions of chicken nuggets. So again, I'm not comparing these to grilled chicken breast. That is going to be a little leaner, a little more calorically dense, a little higher in protein. But I'm also going to be honest. To me, chicken nuggets taste a heck of a lot better than plain chicken breast. So with this Just Bear brand, again, this huge bag is from Costco. You can probably find it at your local grocery store as well. For 160 calories, you're getting 16 grams of protein. So just heads up, that's for a 3-ounce serving size. Whip out your trusty food scale to know what that looks like. But I love these on top of salads. I love these in pasta. I'll make like a deconstructed chicken parm with these nuggets with a little bit of banza noodles. I'll add veggies to the sauce and just a jarred marinara sauce. Sometimes I'll just have these on their own with a little bit of barbecue sauce. I'll add these to a wrap. I'll get a low-carb wrap and make like a chicken nugget wrap with cut up tomatoes and cucumbers and lettuce and a little bit of cheese. So this is completely versatile. And again, you pop it in the air fryer or the microwave, and it's an easy, ready-to-go protein source. Now, option number 4, again, big hit in my family, including for my 2-year-old, which is a win. Amy Lou brand pre-made chicken burgers. So this flavor is caramelized onion and aged white cheddar. Every burger is 170 calories with 19 grams of protein. So you really cannot go wrong with these. Now, a couple of ideas to save on the calories. And this first one I stole from one of my clients. And what she encouraged me to try, and I've tried it, and it's awesome for a lower carb, lower calorie burger, is to use one of these chicken burgers, top it with an optional slice of cheese, lettuce, tomato, and only the top half of the bun. And yes, you need to cut it with a fork and knife, but you get the whole flavor and satisfaction of a burger, but you're saving yourself half the calories, half the carbs from getting rid of the bottom half of the bun. Now, my other favorite option for these is to make a deconstructed cheeseburger salad. So I'll cook one of these burgers or I'll heat it up because they are pre-cooked. I'll add it to a bed of lettuce. I should say I chop the burger first, add it to a bed of lettuce, add some pickle relish, add some ketchup. If you want mustard or mayo, add a little bit of cheese. And again, it's like a burger in a bowl type of salad. So these are just 4 options that I literally found in about 2 minutes in my freezer and my refrigerator, but there are many more options. So my whole takeaway, guys, is that protein is I don't want to say the most important macronutrient for weight loss, but it kind of is the most important macronutrient for weight loss. But sometimes, myself included, we get overwhelmed trying to figure out how to cook protein or what protein sources should I use, or, we don't even know where to start. And so these four options that I shared can make it very easy to throw things in microwaves, air fryers, ovens, the grill, etc., without having to spend a ton of time actually cooking and preparing easy sources of protein. So again, please do me a favor. If you found any of these tips or choices helpful, do me a favor and hit the like button on this video, and please subscribe to my channel because I'm rewarded. I'm able to continue filming more of these videos when I can help more people. So thank you so much. As always, if you have questions, drop them in the comments. And if not, we will talk soon. Thank you. Bye.